Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. Know whether your keyboard uses USB MIDI, 5-pin MIDI DIN, or just a line/headphone out. Once done, confirm your phone supports OTG or has the correct lightning adapter so the device can act as a host. Make sure the keyboard and phone have enough battery and install a MIDI/audio app on your phone. Then connect the correct cable or a compact audio interface. This first connection establishes the data and audio path you'll use for everything that follows. Once connected, open your app and grant permission for MIDI and audio input. Without permissions, the phone won't see the keyboard. Next, select the keyboard or interface inside the app, set the sample rate and buffer size to balance latency and CPU load, and confirm the MIDI channel matches the keyboard. Route audio so you can monitor. Either enable software monitoring or route through your interface outputs. If you plan to record, arm the track and play to verify both MIDI note data and audio levels are being received. To finish, arm a track, set input gain so the signal isn't clipping, and record a short take to confirm everything records cleanly. Save projects locally or to cloud storage. If you hear delay, lower the buffer size, close other apps, or switch to a dedicated audio interface to reduce latency and improve stability. And if something fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to confirm the OTG/adapter and cable provide power and data. Restart phone and keyboard, and reselect the device in the app to restore the connection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.